Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial on how to transfer Matic. That's the Polygon cryptocurrency, from your Arculus wallet to Revolut in 2025. Whether you're looking to cash out, diversify your portfolio, or just manage your crypto more efficiently, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an Arculus wallet with some Matic in it. Remember, Arculus is a secure hardware wallet, so keep it handy. Also, ensure your Revolut account is verified and ready to receive crypto. Revolut supports Matic on the Polygon network, so we'll be using that for a fast, low-fee transfer. Before we begin, double-check that you have your Revolut crypto wallet address copied. It's crucial to avoid any mix-ups. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app or connect your hardware device. Navigate to your Matic holdings. Look for the Send or Transfer option and select Matic from your assets. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of network fees. On the Polygon network, these are usually pretty low, but they can vary based on congestion. Step 2. Paste in the Revolut wallet address. This is where things get exciting. Make sure you're on the correct network, like Polygon, to match Revolut's requirements. Double-check the address to prevent any errors. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Once that's done, review the transaction details, including the amount and fees, then confirm the send. After initiating the transfer, you'll see a confirmation on your Arculus device. Head over to your Revolut app and keep an eye on the Crypto section. Transfers on Polygon are typically quick, often under a minute, but it might take a few minutes in 2025 depending on updates to the network. A quick tip. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check the Polygon Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. Also, always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. And remember, crypto prices can fluctuate, so time your transfer wisely. There you have it. That's how you transfer Matic from Arculus to Revolut in 2025. It's easier than you think once you get the hang of it. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.